So everyone, welcome back to Aviation Made by Hand. Today, we're going to be discussing the A370 and a little bit of the A360. So starting off, why did they skip the lineup? Well, the answer to that is we just don't know. I don't know. But now, let me show you some of the designs. The A370 is planning to have its designs like this, similar to the A380. It's pretty much gonna be similar to the A380, and I think it's gonna be the same for the A390, or maybe. But what I noticed, this is also related in progression of Airbus. Like, don't you notice that in the Airbus models, like the A320, they all just get longer or have more width. And I feel like each lineup is just gonna get bigger and bigger. You see like how it went from the A320, which is like not necessarily that big, to the A340 or the A330s. Those are much different. So, yeah. What I think really about the Airbus models, they always just make like something different. I mean, the A320neo was nice, yeah. The A370 is looking like the A380, but it's just weird to think about it. I feel like I've seen like some designs like this, which look like, which looks like the Boeing 747, which they are not wrong about that. It could also be that. I feel like it can be 2 floors to A370, but I feel like they should do something similar with the Boeing 747 with, like not the whole space of the aircraft, like the upper level, not the whole space taken. Only like similar to the Boeing 747, which they add like a few seats above, which that would be nice because it would make much more sense. Which the A380, which is gonna be which is the higher model, having 2 floors that are completely taken by both rows. So, if you think about it, there's just a lot to it. So basically Airbus should also make the A370, but next thing you'll know it, the A390. The A390, which will be discussed in the next video. But I haven't seen anything like the A390. But for now, that's pretty much all I can give you. Pretty much just thank you for watching, and pretty much thank you.